Hi, welcome. This video is on my channel. The name of channel is Santosh. We will be working with Copilot to install Node on the computer. The first thing that you do is go to Copilot and then you can go ahead and type the message that you want. If you type that prompt, it says first you need to install nodejs. To do that, you have to go to their website. The first website is not working. You can go to node.org where you can get the node for latest version for Windows version. All these options are there. Click on Node.js and download the NSI installer. What that does is it downloads the installer, as you can see. Next step is to open the folder where it is downloaded. Double click on the installer and that will bring up this installer. Click on next. Put a check mark here. Click on next. Check the part where it is going to be installed. Click on next. All these should be installed. If you don't know how, just click down pointing arrow and click on will be installed on local hard drive. Do this for everything. Click on next. Automatically add the necessary tools. Click on next and click on install. It will bring the user access control. Click on yes there and it will install the node. I will pause the video till then. Once it is installed, click on finish and it will bring this dialog box. Press any key. I press enter and it will install the dependencies. Again, it says in the user access control, it says do you want to allow the app to make changes to your device? Say yes and it will start installing. This is what you will see. And over here, I will pause the video again till this step completes. The installation will take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the speed of your internet and speed of your computer. So please wait. As you can see, it has installed all these things till now and it is still installing. So it's not complete yet. What we have done so far is we downloaded the node from this website and then we use the current version and we run the installer, and after the installation we can go ahead and check what node is installed. So it will take a little bit of time. I will pause the video till then. If the installation is stuck like this for a long time, that means that you have to check if it is installed or not. Bring up a separate window and type node -v, and if it says 22.21.0, that means that node is installed on your computer. This is a common error. I will show you another common error, which is npm-v, and it says this particular error message. I'll show you how to get this clear. You have to set the execution policy and just paste the error here. on that and give the scoop for the current user, and then try to run this command, and it says 10.9.4. Yes, node is installed. Wonderful. Okay, now what we can do is we can create a server file. What I will do is I will go to downloads folder and I will just say node 21, and over here I will open a terminal as well, and before that I have to create a file. I will open Notepad and create this file, and I will save it to downloads node 21 and then server.js. Save as type should be all files, and over here what we can do is we can test this out. Node server.js and click on allow. It will run the server and open that, and it says hello from nodejs server. That means that your node installation was successful. This is how you start with the basic template. In the next video I will show you how to serve the routes using HTML or build a REST API. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video and subscribe to Ek Santosh. Share this channel with your friends as well. Thank you so much.